What is up, you guys? Welcome to another video. Sorry I haven't posted in a while, but today I'm gonna give you an update on the green machine. And as well, today we're gonna start taking apart the DET and see what caused it to fail over a year ago. I'm gonna start off by power washing it, and then I'm gonna start taking it apart. So just a quick update on the green machine. Last time you guys saw it, the turbo was blown. We replaced the turbo on it. I don't know if I mentioned to you guys before, but I finally replaced the motor mounts with some poly ones, and I got a new blow-off valve for it. And then I think that's about it for the green machine. I got some fresh E85 in it, so I might take it out for a spin later. And now since the weather's cooling down here, I'm ready to start cracking on this and start the journey on this, and hopefully everything goes well and I can start taking it apart and make it to a bare short block. So that should be fun. And yeah, let's get this started right now. Alright guys, I got the engine pushed outside. Let's give you a quick look at it. First, I'm gonna do this a little bit different from the first time. This time I'm gonna take off all the brackets and stuff like that, alternator and pulleys and stuff like that. And then I'm going to degrease it. And also, I lost all the valve cover bolts, so I think I'm just gonna wrap it in like in a plastic bag or something, the inside and outside, to make sure no water gets in there. But I'm just gonna take the alternator out, all these brackets off, the pulleys and stuff, so, and the power steering stuff, take it all out, and then just spray down the degreaser and mask everything, and and go to work with that, and then bring it back inside, start taking it apart and make it to a bare long block. So yeah, let's get this started. Alright you guys, so I got the engine masked up, ready to degrease. Got it all degreased on. So gonna start, spray a little more just in case. I was gonna start spraying it right now with the pressure washer and see how it cleans up. So see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, this is the after. It didn't clean up as good as I thought it was going to, but you know what, I'll take what I can get, and then I'll just do a more thorough cleaning later once it's more taken apart. So that's that. I'm gonna start taking stuff apart, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done with that. Alright guys, I got the pulley out, the crank pulley. I got the water pump out. Now I'm gonna take off all these 10 mils for the front cover. Sorry for the lighting. And get that out, flip the car around, the engine around, take off the oil pan and take off those bolts inside the oil pan, and then flip it back around, try to take the front cover off, and then take these bolts off for the head, and I think the head should be good to come off. I don't know if I showed you guys, but got the valve cover off. Boom. This is what the head looks like on the inside. Looks pretty clean, not bad. So yeah, I'm gonna get cracking on that, and hopefully get the front cover off and start loosening up the timing chain and the timing guides and all that stuff. So see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I just took off the lower oil pan. Here it is, but if you look out here in the sun, there is a lot of metal shavings in there. Look at that. That is nuts. So I'm about to finish taking everything else off. Hopefully I see some real damage. I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but I think these are bearings, I'm assuming. Yeah, it's all slush too. So yeah, let's keep this going. Alright guys, I got the lower oil pan off, I mean the upper, excuse me, and I got this to take off. I'm gonna take off the pickup tube real quick and take these bolts off. Looks like we have some, I don't know what you call this, like, I don't know if the bearings did this. I doubt it, because I don't know, to be honest, I don't really know. But I'm about to take it apart right now. Take this part, maybe take the bottom caps off and flip it back around and take the head off, and then yeah, we'll see you in a bit, see what the damage is. Alright guys, I got the engine flipped right side up. I'm gonna start taking it apart. I'm going to take off like the distributor front cover, and I'm gonna start taking off the cam gears, everything. Take off the head pretty much, and we can take a look from the top and see what we found on top. What we saw earlier, the metal shavings, I think those were the bearings, not too sure, but either way all this is coming off. But the head looks okay though, so that's good to know at least. And yeah, see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, giving you guys a little update. I got the intake cam out and everything like that. Closing up shop for today, but I'll be back tomorrow, which is right now for you guys. I'm going to take this exhaust cam out, head studs out, take the head off, and yeah, and that should be it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, the next day I got Lencho here. He helped me take the bolts off for the, what is that for the cup? Girdle. And we're about to check out the bearings on the, right here on the caps. So
alright, let's take these off. So there's like 12s.
yeah, let me get the 12 real quick. Alright guys, Lencho got all the pistons out and everything. Here are all the caps with the bearings. This cylinder 1, can't really see it, but it's pretty bad. It's like grooved really bad. They're pretty much all the same. This one, cylinder 3 head is the worst, so look at that. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that thing is toast. And here are the pistons. Oh shit, that was off my GoPro, I caught it. Oh shit. All the pistons are all straight. Cylinder 3 though, if you look in here, look at that. Oh, that was the one that had the most carnage. Damn. All of them are pretty much the same. I think this engine is very salvageable. If I were like just trying to, like, if I had another shell, just replace the bearings and get like the crank resurface or something like that, and we could just throw it back together and put it into another shell. But since I'm using it for something else, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, that's good news though. Like the engine, didn't take that big of a shit, but it did. But like, there's no hole in the block, so looks like everything's still usable since the other stuff we're replacing. So that's pretty good. And I think I'm gonna end the video right here. So hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Ready?
Go.
All right, that's it. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2. It's fast, no?
What?
I don't know, that's pretty quick to me. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Not impressed? You're really not impressed? I'm pretty butthurt, bro. Well, I'm your uncle. You're supposed to at least lie to me.
It's fast. It's fast.
I don't know. Fool. I don't think you're impressed. So.
The fuck?